Let's do it again. Where's the number 6? Show Mommy the number 6. Wonderful. Where is the number 10? Oh, close. Look, where's 10? There's 10. Good job, Maximus. Where is the number 2? You see the 2? Which one? 2? Is this 2? Okay, good. Where is the number? Oh, you're so sick. Where's the number 5? Oh, thank you. Where's the number 4? Ooh. Where's the number 8? You see the number 8? Good. Where is the number 3? Wonderful. Where is the number 1? Oh, there it is. Where's the number 7? Good. And what's our last number? 9. Yeah!